All right, so let's look at a before and after of a cold email. And this is what you often see. So it's very generic. Hello, Travis. I hope you're having a great Tuesday. I'm Robert, and I work for Translate one of the most innovative language companies in the US. I was looking for contacts within Concept Outbound on LinkedIn and noticed your work in the content area. Could you let me know if you're in charge of translation localization? Would appreciate your help. So, first of all, not very many busy people in the business world have a lot of time to just answer an email from a stranger that has no value in it, no value proposition per se, nothing in it for them, so to speak. And they don't, people aren't necessarily going to respond, take their time out to respond just to help somebody answer a question necessarily. So it's just not that effective. And as you can see, there's no personalization. It's not exactly clear what's really on offer here, except for that Translate One just happens to be the brand name. So that's lucky enough. But if it hadn't been Translate One, I wouldn't really know what exactly is on offer, except for the very last line, which is not really the right place for that. So it's a bit misplaced. So, how would a personalized approach look? So, hi, Travis, as Concept Outbound's content marketing manager. So, calling out your research, you know what they do. You're speaking to what I do every day. Ensuring your outbound engages prospects globally is key. So, tying into the known challenges and the main priority of mine, our localization services. So, this is telling me exactly what it is. Helps lead gen firms like yours boost response rates by 20 to 30% through native language content. We could translate your campaigns into French, German, etc. for the European expansion or LATAM, the Latin American market, driving more conversions for you. So this is really excellent because it's like, telling me what the value is for me. So this is like, this is kind of what we do. This is who we work with, and these are the performance results that we can get, right? And this is how it can look for you. It helps you expand into new markets, right? And helps you become more effective in those markets, ultimately driving up convert conversations, right? Essentially, so driving up the KPI that you're most interested in. And then, it's just highly specific. So versus the generic, sure, it's nice and short and whatnot, but it just lacks pretty much everything that you would want to feel like, hey, this is a message meant for me, here to help me solve a problem or make my life better, help me make more money, help me save time, etc. Those are typically the things that prospects want to hear about and will respond to. So hopefully that makes things more clear on how to personalize. I hope it was helpful. It's Travis again, and thanks so much for your time. And until next time, bye bye.